switch it on. That's the best part. Pandai, cerita-cerita tak on. Aduh. Next time we should bring all the lemon and Nelika and try the monkeys eat not. Test it, you know. Test it, see whether they come here now. Guys, we are now here. It's the 16th of September 2020. We are all here now. All peace members going for blessings on a cave. This is one of the very wonderful cave. And the best part is they made the cave into a Hindu temple. Otherwise, it'd be a nice jungle cave with lots of life forms. That's what they are. Let's see. Hello, tak boleh? Turun bawah.
Cancer.
Kalau tak boleh. Just lie down and go. You can see our Rupani here. She's 8 months pregnant. 8 months, huh?
Yeah,
8 months. 8 months pregnant. She also want to come for the blessing. She gave nature being class and she's with her now. Nice. Take the one and heal the heart, madam. Yeah. Take the one and heal the heart. That's the one that works a lot. Heart.
Okay.
Yes, just heal the heart. And inhale and exhale as you walk up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. The monkeys here. Guys, thank you for joining us. We are all here now on the way up this 272 steps, going all the way. It's one of the mountains that we have in our country. There's a temple. In India, you got much more bigger and higher mountains. Just another 10 more steps. We'll be on top of the cave. Okay, we are here now, right on top. Wonderful. Hey guys, there may not be thick coverage here inside the cave. This is how the cave looks like. It's a huge cave. So apparently, all the Indians, see all the chicken? They've been led here for some vows. There's a red cloth there saying that this guy is not to be taken by somebody. He belongs to the temple. This guy, you're supposed to come and pray to him first. You call Mr. Iduman. You got to come here, pray here and go. It's actually the bodyguard of the deity inside, Murugan. Deity inside, bodyguard, isn't it? Bodyguard then, eh? Bodyguard. No, not him, cannot go inside. Security guard. So all our guys are here. Before we go inside. Yo, நீ அங்கே வந்திருக்கீங்க? Y'all come on, sit down. These guys are. Okay. Yes, madam. Wango. Let everybody come. கேக்குதா? Oh. Oh. Nice. Who did not come for the Nature Beings workshop in Gopeng? Stand aside. All those who didn't go for Gopeng workshop, stand aside. These guys didn't come for Nature Beings workshop. So they're replacing it with our Nature Beings workshop today at the cave of Batu Cave. Very old cave. This cave was here before man was in this country. This cave was here before man was in this country. Or this part of the world. That's how old is it? 1, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Take it once, find out. Take it once and find out. That's how you learn. Because you're now, you see, remember this. You're now connecting to the aura of this whole being here. They're just not a piece of stone. Remember when you all went and play the aligning the stone in the river, and the stone will stick together, and amazingly stands. How does it stand? There's an attraction among all the stones. Like that here, there'll be a lot of attraction of nature making this whole thing up. Hello, madam, did you all come for the Nature Beings workshop? அவங்க பின்னால போலாம் ரொம்ப சேவோலாம். For those who don't come workshop, please stand aside. All those who did not come for the Nature Beings workshop, please stand aside. Yes. Half line. Yes. No problem, don't worry. You're not the bad people, good. No, you're not the bad people. Sharik, vanga Sharik. In the badging. So we're going to give each and every police. I'm going to give each and every one of them a badge. First time. How we appreciate nature. Okay, right. Hey.
I didn't get.
Why you never get?
You must tell me why.
Okay, okay. Go be please, lah. Omong apa இருக்காங்களா? வா.
ஏற்கனவே எடுத்துங்க those who
No problem.
siapa yang berapa
இருக்குதானே நம்மட்ட
Don't put that. Okay, அப்பா அம்மா எல்லாம் வருவீங்க. Okay? Right. So give them guys. Take it once please. Take it once. Just put it outside. Madam, one yeah. Take the wands, please.
Thank you.
Madam, you came. So people would never come. எல்லாம் பயந்து வரீங்கலாம். நீ ஏன் வரல நீ? Okay. நீங்களும் வரலையா? Your service and decided, isn't it? இதான் ஏமாத்து வேலை. இதெல்லாம் ரெண்டாவது ரவுண்ட் இதுதான்.
Thank you.
ரெண்டாவது ரவுண்ட் பண்ணிடலாம்.
Thank you sir.
Okay,
மங்கூஸ் இருக்கு sir.
ஆமா மேடம்.
மங்கூஸ் இருக்கு.
Okay, now take the wands please, all of you. You see, it's not okay. All of you heal the heart first, lah. All of you panting. Healing one. Guy varindal.
Thank you, sir.
All of you heal your hearts, please. You see, whenever you go up, you walk high elevation. You're not at ground floor. You're going high. It's very high, you know. So when high, the oxygen level goes down. As you go higher and higher, it's even worse and worse. That's why you see people going up big mountains and they wear oxygen goes up. They cannot. They have to have oxygen. And you know that at high levels, the water boils not 100 degrees C, lower than 100 degrees C. At 75 degrees C or 70 degrees C, water will boil. Because the atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure is the one that keeps all things. So now your heart is trying to pump. So take the wand now and say healing wand becomes powerful to heal my physical heart. Now if you're like me, if you dance every week, you're not going to have this problem. You can climb up, no problem. Once in a while, you do all these funny tricks like walking very fast, all you're going to have problems, you know. You can feel the heart pumping as you go up. So take the wand and heal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To all of you guys, how many of you are from India? You know something? For India, you got much higher stats. These are baby stats for Indian standards. Seriously. The one I got up was 5,500 stats. Not small stats, double the size, the height. You really put your legs and you climb. So that's how those steps are, you know. And sometimes I don't know how they could build temples there. All Jain people, all Jains, they build temples up the mountain. For a reason I just cannot figure out why they must make up the mountain. They make it difficult to go up, you know. So all fine now? Fine? Now take the wand now, put it in front and say, the Supreme God, Divine for the Divine Mother, to our higher soul, to all the spiritual guide, helpers and teachers, to all the energy beings present here today. I would like to connect to the energy of this place. If it moves, then you can. If it moves, you can connect. Hey, hold on, buddy. If it moves means, yes, they allow you to connect. If it doesn't move means, then you need a little bit more training. That means you're not, wow.
Celebrations.
You see the noise will go inside, you know. See all the birds. The noise will go inside and magnify the whole thing. The voice will magnify it like a loudspeaker inside here. And it'll try to escape through the wall. At least they do it now, not at night. See all the birds all running away. See, their ears are very sensitive. And up in the mountain, the loud is even more louder. They're all playing firecrackers because today is Malaysia's Malaysia Day. Not our Independence Day, but Malaysia Day. Okay guys, put in front. Say, I would like to, can I find the age of this cave? Can I find, ask permission. That's why you must be very careful when you go somewhere and you start putting and checking all, you know. Can I find the age of this cave? Yes. And you go, 100,000, 200,000, 1,000, 2,000 won't work, sir. She must have, then you got to go one by one. Go 100,000, million, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600,000 million years was this cave. 600,000 million years. 600,000. Not billion yet. Not billions yet. Maybe something was evolving, this was also evolving at the same time. So it's not like they slowly grow over the many, many years. Then you find 600,000 million years. Mother Earth will go in billions. 100, 200, 300, 400, 400, 400, 400 billion years. Mother Earth. So this is how you find. Okay, then you can ask, are there nature beings with us today? Are there nature beings? They've come because we are here today? Yes, come. Are they happy to be here in this cave? Yeah. They're not happy, but then you ask, they are not happy. If you ask if they're happy, it's not going with, then you're not happy, they're not happy, they're not happy. Because all the sound and noise and, you see, this was a beautiful place and man make it commercialized. They put all of these things, they put all of things, you know, then the whole thing becomes wrong, you know. People come and put all these thought forms, I want this, I want that, I want this. If you ask realistic, it's okay. They all ask unrealistic things. You understand? Nobody comes and pray and say, let the best man in the company win the promotion. No, I want the promotion. I will do whatever I need to do to get the promotion. This is what happens. Yeah, let's go now. Going to go down. Hey guys, all of you here now, the 500 old people here today right now, we might lose connection here. So just be ready. We might lose country because we're going into the cave now.
Sir, if they're not happy here, what are they doing here?
They came because of us, like madam. Why they are doing here?
But just now they are here just for us. Before,
Yeah, then they go somewhere else. They go somewhere else. You think they go no better place to go? They got so many places to go.
that's my question. If
They'll
not
go
happy,
to.
we don't have
They are not. So they got so many places to go.
I'm here because of sir.
Like that, lah. You won't come here, isn't it?
No, I hope not.
So now, isn't it? Allah good answer.
So, அப்ப அவங்க
பொட்டுன்னு மண்டை தொட்டிங்க டொக்குன்னு போட்டிங்க மண்டையில்
எனக்கு அவங்களுக்கு வித்தியாசம் இல்லை sir.
என்ன வித்தியாசம் ஏய் நீ முதல்ல கீழே கீழே நட முதல்ல
Sir, நண்பனுக்கு நடக்க
இங்கே நட 4 கால் நட முதல்ல அங்கே பழக்க மேலே நின்னாட. So we're entering the cave now. How huge the cave is. So one Indian man came and sat down here in the form of meditation, and he must be a devotee of Muruga. So he came and he sat in one place and put one of the little thing called the spear, the veil. And then slowly that became people come, as you know Indians are, and become bigger. And then they form a committee and they say this temple is belong to that Sri Velayuda temple, main temple. That is the one. Hey, we might lose coverage here, guys. We might lose coverage. Let's see. Huh? Max இங்க லைவ் போடுங்க சார். Max போடுங்க. Let's see what happened, guys. இருக்கு சார். People are replying. ரெண்டு ஃபோன் இருக்கு. So this is the temple. Proper. Starting the puja. மெச்சேஜ் இருக்கு சார். அவங்களும் டவர் போட்டுருப்பான் சார். டவர் போட்டுருப்பான். சரி. Temple is the main place, the main temple.